I went into town to pick up my mail and I had a wonderful surprise. I received this gift box from Mary at Mary's Nest. I met Mary about a year before she started her YouTube channel. I was on a trip to Texas and we met up. She's just a lovely person. And Mary, this is amazing, so thank you so much. It was this box, and inside of it, first of all, is her newest cookbook, The Modern Pioneer Pantry, and this is her second book, I believe, and it's wonderful. I haven't read it all, but I've went through it. I've read a bit of it and flipped through the rest, and it's just really a wonderful, amazing book. If you're starting out on the prepping journey or if you need some help, there's a lot of good information in this. And it also had some other very helpful things in it. Some pickle pipes for fermenting, and I have some, but I'm going to be using them all soon. My garden is really coming in. Some herb seeds, a lid grabber so that you can twist lids off. This is root beer flavoring. I've never tried that, so that's going to be a fun thing to try. And some of my favorite canning lids. I love Superb lids. That's what I use most of the time, and I have not had a failure. They are amazing. But all these goodies came in this box, and so it really was a wonderful surprise. Thank you, Mary, and I just wish the best for you. I know your book is going to do amazing. Thank you. And God bless.